What if I told you one of Monster Jam's biggest icons started as an ordinary truck called Bulldozer? From a regular machine to the most merchandised monster in the entire sport, this is the epic origin story of El Toro Loco. We're going back to 2001. Monster Jam was growing fast. They needed a legendary character. Then that historic decision was made, giving a soul to an existing body. El Toro Loco was built on Bulldozer, but this wasn't just a paint job. Massive horns and furious eyes. An expression that breathed smoke. It wasn't a truck, it was a giant sculpture. The name fit perfectly, the Crazy Bull. But did this powerful design match the performance? The answer came in 2003. At that legendary final in Las Vegas, El Toro Loco proved its power to the world. This beast was made for a legend, Lupe Soza. On John 5, 2001, it debuted in Louisiana. Orange Flames didn't just kick up the dust, it stole children's hearts in the first second. Success followed one after another. In 2004, it shared the podium with giants. It proved its strength to the whole world. Its legendary silhouette never changed. This story is proof of the right design. Who is your favorite monster? Share it with us in the comments. Stay strong like bulls.
No, I don't.